Hi, this is from Vijayakumar. Today I am taking the topic of case study on laser, especially semiconductor laser. Let us move from the discussion part of case study in a laser. Hello students, today we discuss case study on laser. The laser is an emerging field in all types of engineering and medical communication, and the maximum field we have used in laser. So we have taken the case study on laser. So we know that already the basics, properties, principle, this all we discussed in our classes in the form of laser, right? The properties is in a high property to comparing the ordinary light. So that's why we have used the most of laser. The types of laser is in a semiconductor laser, gas laser, solid laser, liquid laser. But we have frequently used in the semiconductor laser because output range is very low. I showed the one laser in our lab. Before that, we discussed that NDR laser, right? So this is a CO2 laser and this is a helium laser. Both these are gas laser, right? But this is the first molecular laser and this is known as the gas laser, right? That means inert gas laser, and this too is an energy level. Compare this, the CO2 laser is a high efficiency laser. We used in the most of defense and high range of operations. We call it the CO2 laser is a destroyed laser. So we not using the normal lasers. This becomes a very rare laser we can use. So that is a CO2 laser, right? Then the another one we have moved from in our lab and we discussed in the semiconductor laser. And also I show you that how we have taken the observation from the laser. You feel better to take the reading wise. Then we have identified the case study of the semiconductor laser, right? Let us move. So we have continued the topic of case study on laser. So this is semiconductor laser. We used in the normal purpose to act a pointer or in our lab purpose, right? Today we find the two from this experiment. One is in a determination of wavelength and another one is in a particle size. So from in our case study based, we have used in the easily in a operator within a low efficiency output, that is a semiconductor laser. Then other is an advanced laser. But the advanced laser we have used in only for the rare places. This has become freely handled laser types. So this is the most application oriented laser. So the semiconductor laser we have find first what is the range of the wavelength it will become existed in this laser. Then after we find the particle size. So I already found the total equipment to the form of diffraction pattern wise. We get the diffraction orders, right? So this all is in diffraction orders. We get the laser because the properties wise already we know that the high range of that means monochromatic, intensity, coherent and directionality. So the pattern will be get the diffraction. The next one, the pattern wise we have observed from the wavelength to the using of some calculation. Then second one we have find that by using this glass plate to deposit it in lycopodium powder. So this is a sample we frame in lycopodium powder. Right? You feel the ring from here.
Yes, sir.
Right. So we get the see this is a ring. So we have identified this ring, right? Diameter to convert it in radius. So we find the particle size by using in a formula, right? So we have find the two from today. One is the wavelength of laser and the particle size, right? This is one of a case study. We follow that. The one is we have changed from the powder. We have analyzed the powder particle size. I am taking the lycopodium powder from this glass plate, right? You must be changing any one of chemical to be deposited from this glass plate. The particle size will be changed based on the materials, right? Then the another one, this is a grating plate here. I am forming one line to the forming 1 meter glass plate. Suppose it will be changed, the diffraction order will become changed, right? So this too will be changed to the form of the analyzed of the particles and the gratings. Mostly the research purposes we have formed the particle size finding for the simple manner we used in our lab, right? If you have any doubt or queries, you have asked me. Stop on there.
So what is the particle size we get in this laser?
The particle size we get in the micrometer ranges. It becomes the range from this experiment lycopodium powder. The range becomes start from 6 to 8 or 9 micrometer ranges. Right? It's based on the observation of the reading we get from that. Right? Then any other?
We change the laser with anything will be changed.
Yes, definitely change because the output become changed. Right? The particle size and the other diffraction pattern we get in a more brightness of that. Suppose it will be affected in the particle also. Right? Sometimes it will be affected, we not get the proper reading from that. So we have used it only for the lower efficiency of the experimental verifications, especially in particle size. We not used in any biological samples from here because the laser is affected in biological samples. Right? Right. Thank you very much all of you. We meet the next topic. Okay.